All right, crypto is back up. The roller coaster continues. We're going to talk about everything. We're going to talk about what's going on today. And I've got a really, really cool sponsor for today's video. So you're going to want to stick around for that. This one is awesome. You're going to want to see that. Okay, so let's take a look at what's going on in crypto right now. We're up 4.3%. Basically, almost exactly the opposite of what we had yesterday. We were down 3 to 4+%. And therein lies kind of the point of the video, right? Is that you have to be prepared and be okay for this roller coaster ride. That is crypto. The volatility, the up, the down, the emotional kind of gut wrenching turmoil it can wrench on you and, unleash on you, if you will, right? We got Bitcoin back up 6.5%, Ethereum up 3.5%. Everything Solana up 9%. Let's see, XRP down 1.24%. So that's interesting how it's the outlier. Dogecoin up 5. In fact, if we look and kind of look at the 24-hour, we can see that Popcat's up 17, Tau 13, Rune 13. Kind of everything's up, that regard. And XRP's leading the percentage down as far as out of the top 100, down 1%. So nothing really trading in the red outside of a few outliers like XRP. I don't know if you saw this. Presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy says, quote, "I put most of my wealth into Bitcoin. I am fully committed." So definitely he is on board for the crypto community. I think, I've done a lot of videos talking about different, political scenarios playing out there. Okay, so real quickly, let me share with you the sponsor for today's video. It is Grape, and they are going all in on AI, and they're doing something insane with their technology. It's allowing people to create amazing stuff, and I'm going to share that with you right now. So stay tuned. At the end of it, I'm going to tell you how you can get 20% more Grape tokens, and I'll share that with you. Here we go.
My name is Colin Stone, your very own blockchain braveheart, and I'm here to talk to you today about my coin pick of the week. If you're unfamiliar, I've spent almost a decade talking about cryptocurrency, finance, and news online for the BBC and loads of others. Now, have you ever dreamed of being able to create an entire game from just a few words in your mind? A massive multiplayer online game that can handle millions of players, an RPG like Elder Scrolls, a geo game like Pokemon Go, or your own custom version of Call of Duty? Well, now that the time of actually being able to do that is nearly here, Grape AI is working on a monumental project that allows users to create decentralized and centralized games in minutes rather than years. This is possible through the power of AI. All it takes are a few text prompts, then Grape's AI engine generates the code, sound effects, graphics, and a method of testing. Once you're happy with it, you can deploy it. So what does this mean? This means that Grape's chain, which is one of the fastest in the market, and the coin around it, have the potential to be used in an Apple App Store sized variety of content within a short amount of time. Every game created builds massive utility. With the creation of thousands of games in a short period, Grape's coin GRP has the potential of being one of the most used coins in the market. Here are a couple of reasons why GRP is the best buy in 2024. 1. Grape is fast, really fast. Grape's chain adds 1,000 transactions per second for every user node, making it infinitely sustainable. Crunch the numbers and you'll see it's even faster than the top 5 chains combined. This power is necessary for powering complex games. And 2. Unparalleled utility. GRP's utility goes beyond generated gaming with the ability to create decentralized websites, apps, and nearly anything powered by code. Grape is set up to be the backbone of the new decentralized internet. Grape just went through a new restructuring and funding round. Its price is at the best place to buy that it has ever been. It's got loads of milestones about to happen, like new funding, their AI initiative, and their huge mainnet launch. Look, you can't go back and invest in Apple 30 years ago, but you can get the lowest price on what will likely be the leader of blockchain AI. To buy today, go to buy.grape.com or find GRP on Bitmart. Don't miss out on getting the hottest AI buy in crypto right before its launch.
All right, so as I said, definitely a fan of Grape. I actually own a ton of Grape. I have bought in myself. There's a link down below, right down there, where you can sign up and take advantage of that. You get 20% additional bonus tokens, so whatever you buy, you get 20% on top of that. So give them a look. Thanks for sponsoring today's video. All right, so kind of where we're at with this is that we continue to roll up. We continue to do good things as far as kind of crypto is looking. And I wanted to kind of share this chart with you. It's a chart that I've talked a lot about in a lot of videos. I want you to focus on the 24 side. If you want to pause the video and kind of look at this chart all in, it shows the Bitcoin halving cycle 2020 versus 24. We are in this pink box on that upper right-hand corner. We're, approximately rolling in, will be 154 days until we reach September. And September is when we expect the crypto parabolic bull run to begin, when we see Bitcoin take off, when we see Ethereum, all the blue chips. So I kind of want to leave you with a positive note to let you know that that's out there and let you know that that obviously is something to keep your eye on. I talk a lot about this in videos. As always, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes of your time. This is something that I definitely feel strongly about. I love crypto. I love being in it every single day. I love the roller coaster. I love the volatility. I'm okay with that. You've got to be okay with that as well. And you got to have a plan. Here's what I'm saying. You got to have a plan to be okay in crypto, to have, to take profits, to know what your cost is, to know what your exit strike price is for every single crypto that you own, and just to have a plan to know that, hey, you're going to make a ton of profits in this. So as always, thanks. I'll see you. Have a good one. Take care. Check out Grape. Links in the description below.